Almost 1:30 now, and still hasn't stopped raining. But I'm about to show you all a little bit of what I saw leaving this morning. I'm sure it's still here. There's a lot of water on the road too. I've had 3 alerts come across the phone, flash flooding. The first one was till 11:30 a.m. The second one was till 1:30 p.m. and the third one was until 4 p.m. And this is what it's doing. Pretty soon this little corner road right here is not going to be passable. This is not normal, by the way. It's going to be up on the road pretty soon if it doesn't stop. It's on both sides of the road. Over there too. Yeah, they flood us out all the time, but this is one of the worst scenarios I've seen so far. Go back uphill now. I'm almost home. I just wanted to share the wonderful, intentional flooding that we got going on here. And this is my street. Never seen that before, ever. I've never seen a creek running on that side of my street. I mean, this is unreal. And I have a hell of a mess at my house. Yes, I do. My porch is underwater. My little street has become a creek. It's a good thing my house sits on top of a hill. I mean, I've got water in the crawl space. I'll have to go get an industrial fan to set under there probably and leave it for a week to dry it out. But yeah, it's a mess. Just wanted to share.